Thank you for introduction. Yeah, Patrick got sick, so I'm replacing him, but I can do it well. So my name is Hyunwoo. I did my master and PhD at MIT in mechanical engineering, and we spun out of MIT around 3 years ago. We are a biomaterial-based platform company. But today's problem we want to focus in this event is skin issue. So skin is the largest organ in the human body and outermost barriers against many bad things. So therefore, it experiences lots of diseases and conditions from eczema, psoriasis, to the scars and wounds, and sometimes chronic wounds if it is large and long-standing enough. So our vision is we are really want to make a kind of synthetic extension of skin using our proprietary biomaterial thing that has a functional armor to protect against those things. Those things, including the dehydration, pollution, infection, UV, and adverse mechanical forces. So it's basically we want to replace something with a more neat and nice than wrapping around or bandages that is out there already. So our solution that we have developed in MIT, now we further moved into our company in a more commercial setup, is a bioadhesive or sticky and perceptible multifunctional armors against all those adverse factors. We are having a kit product with the patches and a skin primers, which is like a moisturizer as well as a can be carrier for therapeutic agents in it. It is adhesive to the wet skin, so it can be actually applied on whatever that's being applied on the skin. It doesn't need to be dry and clean. It is soft and elastic as the human skin and is transparent and is having a physical barrier as well as a mechanical programmability. So it actually can contract in a programmed amount and directions. So how it works is we developed this by inspired by some many things, including spider web glues. And you can see in these videos that is really interesting in a way that looks like a 3M tapes and dressings, but it actually can sticks to the skins that are very wet or moisturized. And it also can contract in a desired directions and amount is kind of programmable materials. So we have it published in nice journals because it's very interesting sciences, but we are now looking into the application of it because skin has a lot of conditions. This can be used in a variety of different things, including the eczema, skin closures, and scars, and chronic wounds. And many of these applications, we have done extensive preclinical studies in academic and as well as industrial setup after spinning out. So it is a large amount of opportunities. But one case that we really think it is interesting is that we got approached by the big cosmetic companies from South Korea. We did a contract R&D, and it turns out that our platform can actually having an anti-aging applications by having a mechanical modulative ability by adjusting a skin tension lines and all those things. So you have anti-wrinkle performances and also hair reduction performances. So we are trying to find a way to commercialize in this particular application with this partner or some other partner in different places. But we also find out that this can actually be really versatile platform for various skin conditions and diseases. So what we are asking today is essentially a partnership opportunities. We are a platform company that with the many other programs, but in particular for this one, we are looking for both an R&D level partnership for co-development into specific indications or application area, or also in commercial stage partnerships such as licensing, mature product supply. We are both looking for a potential partners in a medical, such as dermatology, advanced wound care area, as well as consumers such as cosmetics. We obviously interested in North American, European market, but because especially for cosmetics, it's very big in APAC regions like China, Korea, Japan. We are also looking actively from those areas as well. So if you have any question, please ask us through either chat or in a breakout room. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Great. Continuing on that theme, where are you at as far as commercialization and the status of SanaHeal?
Yeah, so for this particular platform, we finished the R&D development of the technologies, and we have a small scale manufacturability. Now we are at finding a partner to actually productizing this platform into specific indications with the requirements and specifications. And in parallel, we are working internally to make the scalability of this manufacturing processes because we all understand that for skin application, generally the volume and the cost is a lot larger and the low cost. So that's where we are at. And the reason we are looking for partner is many of these detailed questions are quite geared to a specific application areas that partner might be interested.
Fantastic. And what is your vision as you get these partnerships going, what's next?
Yeah, so because we are more like a R&D focused team and because we have many different applications, we don't want to build the individual distribution and sales channels and etc. So that's why we are looking for a partnership for a product development and also looking for a specialized partner in specific intended use cases that can take in charge of the commercialization instead of we are being making a large of distribution or sales channels ourselves in various applications.
Okay, fantastic. Thanks, Hyunwoo.